Hey guys, so today I have the Witch Casket box for July to show you. I know that I'm a little bit behind at the minute because I deleted some videos by accident, so kind of got off track, but I think that after this one I will be sort of caught up. I do already have August's one, hopefully that will be up soon. But we are just going to open this one. The box seems a little damaged, but I don't think anything inside is damaged as far as I can see. So this month, or last month because it's July, the theme was potions, and it seems to be just a black and white theme as far as I can tell. So this is just a little booklet that tells you about all of the items in the box. I'm not going to go through it, but that is what that is if you get the box. Then we have our art print for the month, so you do always get a little art print card. This one is kind of like shelves with potions on and little jars on and books and stuff. Bit of a weird print honestly, but it is quite cute though. Definitely unusual. So there is that. And then we have a magical book of potions. So this is one of their own books that they like make themselves. It says, in overview of the magical art of potion making, with recipes for anointing potions, bath potions, witches brews, floor washes and hand washes, lovingly written by Witch Casket's Deb Robinson. So this is just a little book full of potions. I'm not going to go through them all because there is loads and loads and loads of them, but that is what that looks like. And then we get to our little spell kit for the month. So you do always get a spell kit. This one is Empowerment Potion Kit. It says it contains everything you need to brew a magical empowering potion. So I will open this and show you all of the things in there. So we've got our little instruction card. I'll hold that up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And then we've got 3 lots of herbs. So there is yarrow, mugwort and marshmallow root. Didn't even know marshmallow root was a thing, so that's pretty cool. That is the 3 bags of those. And that was everything in the Empowerment Potion Kit. Then we have our little pin for the month. You always get a pin. And this one is like a little potion bottle. I actually really like that one. I think it's cute. It's got a little green liquid in there. And it's just 1 pin. Next we've got this little bag. I actually don't know what this is. Oh, so this is just a little funnel. It says potion funnel. It's just like a little metal thing. So you'd put that into the bottle and then pour whatever you need to in the top. So the little card just says, an easy way to ensure that none of your magical liquid is spilled. Decant your potions, brews and elixirs into bottles easily with Witch Casket's exclusive potion funnel. So that's what that is for. Very practical little item. This one seems like quite a full box, I've got to say. So next we have this. Usually you do get a crystal. I think this is kind of like what our crystal is for the month. Can't really get them out, but these are grey aventurine chips. It says a positive uplifting stone which helps to promote inner peace, harmony, compassion and communication. Add these crystal chips to spell jars, charm bags, etc. I will get a few out just so you can see what they look like, but it is literally just a little bag of chips. So oh, I'm throwing them everywhere. That is what is in that little bag. Then next we have this little box which is Protection Potion. It says it's 100% pure essential oil blend. So I'm going to open this and see if it says what is in it. So this is basil, bergamot and geranium. Doesn't sound amazing if I'm going to be totally honest, but I'm going to open it and smell it anyway. Yeah, definitely not for me. It's a very, very herby kind of soil garden scent. But that is our little protection potion. Then next we have this in a little pouch or bag. And I think that this is a stirrer. It doesn't come with a little card or anything, but it's like a little metal stick, and on one side it says potions, and then on this side it has a little ball. I'm gonna assume it's to mix up things. You could use either end if you wanted to, honestly, but I think the ball end is what you're supposed to use. Pretty cute if that is something that you do quite often. Definitely a handy little unique item to get. So that is that. And then we've actually still got quite a few items left, so this is definitely a full box. Next we have this little velvety pouch with a bottle on the front. I'm going to assume there is a bottle in here. And there is. It's very cute though. A really nice dark emeraldy green colour with a pentacle here on the front. It's got a cork in the top. Even if you didn't use this for potions, this would be cute like a little decoration. You could put oils in it and put some reeds in it, like a reed diffuser. Or you could store things in it. Really love that colour. So that is what was in this little bag. Then next we have this one. It also has a little cauldron on it. And I think this is just a bottle as well. Yeah, just another little glass bottle. This one's kind of like a dark grey colour. I know it's showing up quite black on camera, but in person it is sort of like a dark grey. And it's got this filigree sort of design on here. Again, little cork in the top. You could definitely put a sticker or write something in the middle here. That would be really cute. That is our second little potion jar. And then the last thing we've got before our scroll is this little fabric roll. So we'll undo that, see what is in here. So I did actually just have to stop and look at the little book to see what this was supposed to be, because I wasn't too sure. It's just like a little black piece of fabric with a grey design all the way around, and it says witch casket at the bottom. And apparently this is just a little preparation mat, so if you're doing any potions or spells or anything like that, this will sort of protect whatever you're doing them on, your table or something. So that's really cute. And then lastly we've got our little scroll, so I will open this and show you it in case anyone wants to read it. So this one is about potion making. It says washes, anointing, drinking / eating and bathing. So it's quite a light coloured print, but I will hold it up just in case anyone wants to pause and read. So yeah, that was everything in the July Potions Witch Casket box. I will quickly grab everything and try and show you all together at once. So we had the little art print card, the Magical Book of Potions, the Empowerment Potion Kit with the 3 sets of herbs in there, the little metal potion stirrer, the metal potion funnel, the big green glass potion bottle with the pentacle on it, the little grey aventurine chips, the enamel pin, the other glass potion bottle that was like a cylinder kind of dark grey one, the preparation mat, the protection potion essential oil, and the little scroll as well. So all of these things in the July Potions Witch Casket. Definitely a full one this month, I would say. I do like the theme. I like the colour scheme of this one. I think it was pretty good. The bottles are really cute. Even though there was a lot in it, I don't feel like there was a big item. But I do like everything that I got though. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I will put all of the information in the description for them in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.